Welcome guys. In today's video we will check what is going on in your connection. So here we have three crystals. First we have rose quartz, second we have clear quartz, and third we have gold agate. So please pick a crystal which is attracting you the most, and let's begin your reading. First we will start from the rose quartz. So rose quartz, first we will check what is happening or what is going on with your partner. So here we have Hanged Man, Temperance, and here we have Justice. Okay, so let's see what is your energies, what is going on with you. Knight of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, and here we have Hierophant. Okay, so pile number 1, I am seeing your partner is feeling stuck and trapped. They are not willing to let go of this connection. I am seeing you are not in union right now, but they are trapped into something. It could be a third party situation, it could be a career and finances, it could be a family situation or family drama. They are feeling stuck and they are not willing to let go of you. And second we have Temperance, like they are going through some spiritual awakening, some healing, and something related to spirituality. I am seeing here receiving sign related to this connection, and that's why they are confused. They don't know what is happening with them, because this is the first time they feel a strong connection with someone, and universe is not letting them to let go of you. And from the Justice card, I am seeing their more focus is on career, like they are feeling confused. There are so many things is going on in their life and they don't know which one should they do the first. And they are also dealing with manifestation. They recently know about law of attraction, and I am seeing their confusion is about to overcome, like universe will serve justice here. They will soonly come to know what is this connection all about. They will realize you are the one for them, and universe always bring you both together. I am also seeing there is always on off in this connection. Sometimes you become runner, sometimes they become runner and another person chase. And from your cards I am seeing you are slowly moving towards your growth. You are healing, you are going through a higher level of awakening, and I am seeing you are very worried about your career, your finances. Right now all you need is your career. You have realized career is everything, and career is more important than love. If there is no career, there is no money, there is no honey. So right now your more focus is on your finances, making your finances more strong. And here we have Hierophant. I am seeing you are trying to listen to your soul, and you're trying to get some messages from your higher self, from the divine. I am also seeing you guys are surrounded by spiritual friends who really are helping you in this connection, who really are helping you to understand the sign of the universe, because sometimes it also become difficult for you to understand what are the signs universe is trying to give you, and these friends interrupt their signs for you. So this person is stuck and they are not willing to let go of you, because they feel a strong connection with you, strong chemistry with you, which they never have felt for anyone. And they are guided by the universe. They are seeing angel numbers, but they refused to admit it. These are the signs of universe, because for them this is just illusion of mind, because they are not spiritual. That's why they are telling this. And right now they are working on some manifestation, their goals, but their intention is always towards you. And I am also seeing here unexpected meeting with your loved one, with your partner, and universe is organizing something for you, like a meeting. So let's check what is universe guidance for both of you. postpone and change, and we have the source. Okay, so you both are, sometimes you both are denied to admit this connection. You both sometimes feels, okay, is this twin flame union thing is really, is this twin flame are real, is I am twin flame, and you're denying this connection. But universe is telling to you, please go with the flow, because I am seeing you both are going through a lot of changes, and right now you are releasing so many things in even your dream state, in lucid state, and some of you are having a sleepless nights because of these changes, because you are going through DNA activation. And here we have source. Look, we have spiritual card in both of the energies, and here we also have the source card. So universe is trying to bring you both together, and universe is organizing a fated meeting for both of you. And here I am getting universe is telling to you right now, please surrender to divine, surrender to the source. If you have any doubt related to this connection, just surrender to divine and ask for guidance. I am seeing you will receive a direct guidance in upcoming days from the divine related to this connection, and you will do better in your career, in your finances, because you have decided right now your career is more important for you than your love life. And in upcoming time you will go through a higher level of awakening and enlightenment. So this person is not willing to let go of this connection. Let's see our angel number for you. 3, 2 and 3 and 1. 3 2 3 1. You can google the meaning of this angel number and know what the universe is trying to tell you. You can also add all the number and can generate one number, and let's see what's come for you. So pile number, that's one for you, that's for you. They are stuck and not willing to let go of this connection, and they are for some of you they are really in karmic situation, and they are wonder why they are still feeling for you even when they are with karmic. So focus on your career, focus on self-love, and they will surely chase you, and your union will surely happen, because I am seeing a lot of spiritual energy here for both of you guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Hello, pile number 2. So for pile number 2 we have clear quartz. Let's see what is happening in your connection, what is happening with your partner, and what is going on with you. Okay, first we have Knight of Cups, Four of Wands, oh my god, union, and the World. Okay, such a good energy here. So for your energies we have Ace of Cups. Oh my god. You guys are really focused on self-love. The Hermit, and Three of Wands. So okay guys, I'm seeing right now your person has realized about this connection. They know you are twin flame, and I am seeing they are coming to offer you something. It could be a love proposal or a meeting. I am seeing a meeting for you, a fated meeting for both of you is coming towards you. They are feeling a connection, a strong connection with you, and they know you are twin flame. Right now they are searching on twin flame concepts, they are reading about twin flames, and they want to know why they are feeling this connection with you, why they are having such intense feeling for both of you. And the World card is telling me right now they have just completed karmic cycles, they just have ended up with their karmic, and they have realized you are their twin flame. I am also seeing this person is going through some major changes related to awakening. That's why they are reading about twin flame connection, because right now they have just awakened from the sleep and they have entered with the karmic partner, and they are reading more about twin flame connection. They are seeing 1111, and they are giving you some hint, like they are spying you on social media. They are finding excuses to talk with you, and I am also seeing a communication here is coming towards you, pile number 2. They will soonly communicate with you and tell you like they feel an instant connection with you, which they have never felt with anyone, and now they know you are the one for them, and they want to spend their whole life with you. So for in your energies, I am seeing you guys are more focused on self-love, and you have realized everything always began with you. If you are not in union with your divine feminine and masculine energies, you will be not be ready for this divine connection, for this divine union. And I am also seeing you have isolated from yourself from this world, and you are more working on your spirituality, your awakening, and you are releasing so many things from past life and from your past. And I am also seeing you guys are spying them on social media. You are seeing their pictures, you are reading their old messages, you are checking everything about them, and you are curiosity, you have curiosity to know what is happening in their life, what they are doing in their life. And I am also seeing from your side love is overflowed. But not only from your side, they also have realized about this connection. They have also realized this is a divine connection, and they are not ready to let go of you. I am also getting, guys, you are going through some chakras awakening, and you are connected with your divine, your ancestors, and your ancestors and divine are sending you some messages through dreams and through the angel numbers, through songs, and through the signs. And you are really aware of these signs, you interpreting these messages and trying to make your life better by seeing these signs. So I am getting here, this is a mutual connection, this is not a one-side connection. This person also know you are the one for them, and you also know they are the one for you. And right now you have little bit let go of this connection and have surrendered to divine, because you know only divine can bring you both together. And you are more focused on your healing, your self-love, your self-care. And let's see universe guidance for you, what universe has for both of you. Isolation, the outsider, healing. Okay, so guys, as I told you, you have isolated yourself so you can heal the pain of past, so you can let go of everything which ever have happened with your past, and you are also healing the past life right now. And this person is also going through some healing awakening, that's why they are searching about this twin flame connection, that's why they are reading more about this connection. And from the outsider, I am seeing you are afraid to put the step into one now, like you are afraid to follow your dreams. But here universe is telling me, don't afraid, the door has opened for you. All you just need is to take a step towards what you need, and universe will help you. And from healing card, I am seeing you both are healing, and you both have surrendered to divine. This is not only you who have surrendered to divine, this person has also surrendered to divine, so they can see they can see a way, or divine can guide them. I am also seeing you guys are going through heart chakra awakening, and you both are working on unconditional self-love, because you both know everything starts within. And I am also seeing this person is telling you, if we can't love ourselves, we can't love anyone, and therefore focus is more on self-love right now, as you have. So this is for pile number 2. Just go with the flow, focus on your healing, and your person has realized this is a divine connection, this is not a common connection. And stop spying on social media and work on yourself. You have come so far, only a little bit healing is pending for you. Just heal yourself, and union is there for both of you guys. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Hello, pile number 2. For pile number 2, we have gold or jade here. So let's see what is going with your partner, what they are feeling about this connection. So what is happening with pile number 3's partner, what they are feeling, what they are going through. Page of Cups, the World, Major Arcana, Change, and Simon of Swords. Okay, so what is going on with you guys? Let's see what is going with you. Simon of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, the Devil. Okay, so guys, I'm seeing your partner is about to give you an offer, like they want to give you a proposal. They are feeling this is a love connection, and right now they are feeling a lot of love for you. Universe is guiding them, and they feel a certain connection with you. And I am seeing someone from their past is trying to enter in their life, and when this person is about to give you communicate, this person come in their life from nowhere, and this person feel this person love them the most, and they take step back from you. So I'm seeing here they want to give you a proposal, they want to give you a high commitment, and right now they are going through a lot of changes and healing. I am also seeing this person had a very bad past, had a really bad relationship, family issues, inner child wounds, and whenever they start or about to give you commitment, this person enter in their life from nowhere, and they take their step back from you. I am also seeing this person right now feel a certain connection with you. They feel it's not only a friendship, this is more like a friendship, this is more like a connection. They feel you are their soulmate, and they are definitely fed up from their past. Like their past is not letting them to move forwards you, their past is not letting them to give you commitment, their past is not letting them to feel love for you. Because I am seeing whenever they start to give you commitment, whenever they start to let go of their past, when they decide this is time to move forward you, this person enter in their life from nowhere, and this has stopped them. So in your energies, I am seeing you are sometimes you feel this union is just difficult for you. This is just you who is thinking in your mind like this could be possible. And whenever you're about to tell them your feeling, whenever to start to tell them how you feel for them, you take your step back, because you think this is just a illusion of your mind, and they will not understand you, they will not understand what you are feeling. I am also seeing universe is telling to you here, let go of the temptation, let go of the bad habit, and you guys are surrounded by some people who are telling you this union is not possible, there is not soulmate, there is not twin flame, this is just you who is making in their mind twin flame and soulmate union are there, and that's why you take your step back. Right now you are feeling something doubt, you have some doubt, you are feeling something negative about this connection, because you are feeling this is just an illusion, there is not union for both of you. And whenever they decided to give you commitment, their past come in front of them, and their past stop them. So let's see what the devil is telling me here. Universe, please give clarity on devil card. Five of Swords, Nine of Swords, and okay, so from the devil card I am seeing The devil has come here because you are going through some sleepless nights and you are feeling you are alone and you are ungrateful. You are not paying attention to what you have in your present situation. You are thinking about future always, and you are not present in your current situation. That's why the devil card is telling me, let go of this pattern, let go of what you are feeling, let go of the past, let go of the bad habit, let go of the overthinking. I am seeing you guys are thinking too much about this connection. You are feeling so much negative about this connection because deep inside your mind is telling you this is just an illusion of your mind, this is union is not possible, you should think twice about this connection. And I am getting here, be present and be grateful for what you have right now. Be grateful. You have everything in your life, but you are not paying attention. You are just paying attention to this connection because you are feeling, I have not a love, I have not a good relationship, but you have other things in your life. Please pay attention to them. Be grateful what you have right now, and don't think too much about future. That's why you are feeling depressed and going through some sleepless nights. So this person have feelings for you. They want to give you higher commitment, and right now they are going through some changes, and they have really feeling for you. Just please let go of the negativity, let go of the too much thinking for you. So let's see what universe have for you guys. Many cards. Universe, what you have, going with the flow. Totality and letting go. Okay, so I am seeing universe is telling me here, please be present and go with the flow. Accept the situation as it is. When you accept what is going in your life, you will feel more happy, feel more abundant, and you will become more grateful. So here universe is telling me, just go with the flow and be grateful. From totality card, I am seeing you are focusing on so many things at once, and here universe is telling me, please don't rush. Just focus on one thing at one time and you will feel peace. I am seeing you are feeling depressed or sleepless because right now you're focused on so many things, like on your family, on your career, on your love life, and you are thinking so many things right now, and that's why universe is telling me, please focus on one thing at one time. From the letting go, universe is telling me, please let go of the things which you can't control. You are feeling sad, negative, and stressful because you are still holding on the things which are not longer serving you. So here is universe is telling me, please let go of what is not serving you. So pile number 3, this person really have feelings for you, but they are afraid from their past, and their past is not letting them to move towards you, and you have so many doubts in your mind. Please focus on yourself, focus on self-love, go with the flow. Don't let your past circumstances to control you. Please focus on one thing at one time, and universe will relieve the mystery to you. Thank you, pile number 3. Please subscribe to my channel.